Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
This is a supplemental video that I'm going to show you how to fix problems that might occur with some of your Vacuform wraps. Now this should go before you watch the ones on how to actually wrap them on the tube. And the purpose is twofold. First, if you make a mistake, they are fixable, so you can just kind of relax a little bit. And then the second thing that I want to point out is the things that are important. So if you know what could go wrong before you do it, there's a good chance that you'll try to avoid those things and actually do it properly. Now, I purposely put these on so they had errors in them, and I did that just so that I could illustrate a point. The first one that is probably the most common is here on the bottom or on the edges of the wraps. What often happens is that the wrap has some gaps in it at the very edge, and this one I purposely did big so that you could see, that it's not seated down on the tube very well. Now to fix these, my go-to material is the Fix-It epoxy clay. It's a two-part epoxy, and you knead it together, and it's a soft clay, but in time it will harden. In about 4 to 6 hours, it's pretty hard. Full cure is 24 hours. But what you do in this case is you'll take it and you'll kind of wedge it in there. Along, and fill that gap. And the reason I want to fill it is if it does puff up like that, there's a good chance that somebody picking it up might catch their fingernail on it and cause it to crack. Other thing is that when you go to paint it, and if you use too much paint that has a lot of solvents in it, the solvents can get underneath the wrap and then cause the wrap to dissolve from the bottom side, and then you're going to get cracks in it. So I kind of want to seal all the edges to make sure that the paint doesn't get underneath the wrap. So again, you'll just try to get the clay underneath, and I'm just kind of smooshing it in there, and then we'll trim it off later. So now this one looks pretty bad, but once you paint it, it won't be so bad. In the video that you'll see me putting this one on, I had some very small ones, and they were right here on the edge, and I filled them using the same techniques. And then when you go to sand it right before you paint it, it'll look perfect. The other problem that you might have is gaps between your wraps. And on this one here, where the two seams come together, I got a big giant gap. And again, my go-to material is the Fix-It epoxy clay. And you just take it and you just smush it in there. And it looks bad right now, but don't worry. You can take a little razor blade and then just kind of gently scrape and just cut it off like that. And you can make it pretty smooth, and it'll be very hard to notice this seam. So those are the two common mistakes that people make. So don't worry, it's fixable. And that's what I wanted you to know in this video.